Good day, traders. In today's video, we'll be talking about Cardano technical analysis. In today's video, I'll be focusing on Cardano and what Cardano will do in the next coming months in this very bureau. Stay till the end of the video and get a glimpse of what's going to happen and position yourself in the next coming move of Cardano. As you can see, Cardano is in its accumulation stage right now. It's about to fly, it's about to pump. So all of those in this video, watch to the end of the video and position yourself as well. A whole lot of money to make on Cardano in the next move. So this is Remit Trade channel. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. Also leave a comment below. What do you think Cardano will do in the next coming months? Is very important. All right, so let's get into the real deal, which is the technical analysis. All right, in Cardano, if we go back in history, if we go to the W1, that is 1 week chart, we see that in recent time we've seen Cardano that is about 2 months ago. We see a very high move in Cardano right from $0.14 up to this very point. So Cardano is about to hit $1. Now the question is, how I wish you buy Cardano, especially when Cardano was right here. That is when Cardano was 0.2. Even though you buy Cardano when it was 0.2 and you use just $200. So if you use $200 to buy Cardano, Cardano move from this point to this area, it has moved over 370%. Over 370%, that is in the space of 1 month plus. So if you use just $200 to buy Cardano, you should be in massive gain. That is, you should be in a gain of nothing less than $800, which you are $200 that you use in buy Cardano when it at this point. Now the question is it now too high to buy Cardano? Is it too high to buy Cardano at this point? The answer is no. It's no. It is still the right time to buy, but you have to position yourself in such a way that you don't enter at the end of an impulse. We wait for a kind of retracement in the market, then when the retracement have ended, then we'll now enter the market to ride the impulse. So I'm going to do a little brief technical here and then show you where you can position yourself and what should happen or what will happen after the analysis. So we'll go back to my H4. I'll go back to my H4 now. In my VIP group, I've already given the signal at this point, and it has moved a little bit. It's just a minor retracement. So we are going to see another move that I am expecting to break this level. So the analysis goes. Now, if you look at this very point, this is the higher high. That is the all-time high of Cardano right now. So if you look at this very level, it's not up to this level yet. We have not seen any bullish close here, neither do we see any higher high more than this high. So we are expecting this market right here to break this zone. That's what I'm expecting right here. I'm expecting the market to break this very zone. So if this move, I'm expecting this move to move forward, that is this candle to move further and break this very level. We've already entered the trade already. We've already entered the trade. We are already in the trade in VIP group. So if you want to join the VIP group, check in the description below and contact that WhatsApp group and you will join for just a fee. It's not a free group. All right. So if you see a move here and a breakout, I want to see a breakout of this very level. I want to see a breakout of this very level. Remember, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. I want to see a breakout of this level with a bullish close. Now, that does not mean that it must form a higher high before I will now say it's going to move to the upside. No, only when I see a breakout of this level is enough confirmation that the market is going to go up. Why? If you look at history, market has moved from here. Market has moved from this very level to this point. So we see another retracement down here. Market goes back down. Now, see market goes back down, go up again. Now we see that the market could not make a higher high at this point, so there was a fair swing here, so we are expecting the market to come down. So market did come down from this very area to this very point. So we see the market have fair swing here. We see a fair swing here, the market goes right down. So another move in this, we see the market move from here to this upside. So this was still, going down. So we see the next move right down was a move from here to the downside to this point. Now we were still expecting, so if we could have said that the market is going to go right down, we were expecting when the market move up, we were expecting another low. So we were expecting a lower low, lower than this very low. But from momentum trading, when market goes back up and could not form a lower low, lower than previous low, then there is a certain way we advise our students to look at the market, because that is enough sign. That is also a sign that the market may go back up, that is, market may go to the upside. Now there are other things that you may combine with this, like a factors of confluence, for you to stack the odd in your favor. So what we see then was a movement to the upside, and then after then we see the market move to this point. With this move, market goes back down, and then we see the market move right up and break this very level, break this level, and as well this very level. So it was only hindered by this very level, Okay, so what we are expecting right now, what I am expecting right now, and any other person in the academy to having the same perspective on this very Cardano analysis, we are expecting that the market should move to the upside and then break this level. So we are expecting market to move here and then break this level to the upside. That means market move up, and then after then you see the market goes back down. See exactly what happens. So market will move up and it must hit $1 before the end of this month. Cardano must hit $1 before the end of this month. It's very easy because this is just 0.9. So we're expecting the market to move up, and then we want to see another move that will not retest this level. We are going to see a move that will retest the $1 level, that is price, okay, the $1 price equal to 1 Cardano. So from there we want to see the market right way up, to the first target, that is after this particular move. I want to see Cardano at 1.5, 1.50. That's the next target of Cardano. I want to see it at 1.50. Okay, so now this 1.50 is equal to come back down and retest a level around 1.25, and then it will then go up again. Now, why is all this cryptocurrency going up like this? Now, if you trade currency, you will discover that market does not just move sporadically like this, except in a case of very strong fundamental about that currency. I'm talking about if you have an idea about the forex market. Now, if you look at it very well, cryptocurrencies are in short or limited supply, unlike conventional fiat money that government can print anyhow, which leads to high inflation, which means the currency is not scarce. Reason being that the government can print it anytime they like. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, these currencies are in limited supply. That's how they've been designed. Not only that, they have very use cases. If you look at our conventional fiat money, there is no intrinsic value at all. It is only a means of payment. That is, it is just a shared belief or value system that we are using to transact within ourselves. Now, you may say the same thing goes to cryptocurrency, the same thing, but there is a little different when you consider the Cardano itself as coin and what it offers. Like the use cases of Cardano, they are numerous, so you will believe that Cardano will do very well only with its fundamentals at all. Now, in this video, I'm not talking about the fundamental. I'm only looking at the technical analysis and what Cardano will do in the next coming months. So this is a technical analysis about Cardano. Now, another thing you can also consider or add to your analysis is by bringing up the Bollinger Band. So if I bring up the Bollinger Band and see the same thing, so if you look at the Bollinger Band, this was already in the quiz mode. This is already in the quiz mode. Remember what we saw in the Binance chart, that's the BNB coin chart. We see the market quiz, and after a quiz, we see the market move sporadically to the upside. So what you should expect from this very move, or from this very chart pattern, is a sporadic move to the upside, which will lead the upper band and the lower band to dilate from each other, and then the market will move sporadically to the upside. Remember, don't say I did not inform you earlier. If you go through our channel and see other analysis we made about other previous coin, it did exact way we predicted. It did exactly way we predicted. We know that sometimes analysis are not always 100%, but we assure you 90% on all our analysis. In fact, that is the way we treat our student. That is the way we teach our students. You look at the market in a more unique way and different way from the way other people look at it, in as much as we are trying to stack the odds in our favor. So that's very important. So if you look at here, you see that Bollinger Band is already in the quiz mode. So Bollinger quiz is already in function. So Bollinger Band quiz, it goes down, come up, goes down a bit again, and then from here we see a higher than this very high. Market go down to retest this very level of resistance. So we can draw a line from here up to this point. So market resistance becomes support. So we want to see a breakout of this resistance. So once the breakout happens, it's gonna be a very sharp up move, because almost everybody, especially swing traders in the market, are looking at this very level. So don't miss out. Look at this very level with them as well and get into the position when it is due. For us in a VIP signal group, we've already entered a position, like I said, from this very area, because this where I actually spotted the move and the market is already in our favor. Now, if you want to be my student, you want to join us in Remit Trade Academy and be trained and mentored by me and other senior traders in the academy, check in the description below and learn how to trade. Be it that you're a beginner trader, you're just starting up in cryptocurrency trading, and you don't know how to read your chart, you don't know how to do your fundamental analysis, you don't know anything at all, we will bring you right from the scratch to be an advanced successful trader. So be with me in class tomorrow, and I will see you also in the next video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, ensure you do that. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell. If there's any question you want to ask, maybe something is bothering you, or you want to ask anything, don't also hesitate. Check in the description below and you will see a WhatsApp contact there, and contact us and we will answer you immediately. We are here to help you. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.